Hi, this dance is called Asa Xosa, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on December 2022. There are 32 count, 4 walls, high beginner level line dance. There are 2 restart on wall 6 and wall 12 after 16 count. Let's start with the section 1. Rock forward, recover, lock shuffle back, and then walk back, left, right, coaster step, and then section 2, side together, quarter, shuffle, turn to right, and turn, and then half pivot to right, step forward, and then lock shuffle forward. Section 3, out, hold, in, hold, and then half pivot to left, quarter pivot to right, and then section 4, just back to right, quarter just back to right, and then both go right and left, cross, side, recover, cross, side, recover. Okay, let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.